Hi, I'm Mike Schell from LMS Entertainment, and today I'm here to tell you about the best Elton John tribute you will ever hear, featuring Andrew Johns. When you come and see Andrew live in concert, it's just like seeing Elton John in his prime. Pure magic. From the moment Andrew takes the stage, he captivates his audience. Along with an 8-piece band, North America's finest musicians, they bring the electric to the stage every night. From cruise ships to casinos to theaters and festivals, Andrew Johns lights up any room, and this show is on fire. To book this show, go to lmsentertainment.biz. We'll see you on the Yellow Brick Road.